Fluid motion and design often starts with expressive curves, and this process will help you transform simple shapes into dynamic visual flow. How to create artistic swirl patterns. Begin by opening Photoshop and creating a new canvas around 1800 pixels square so swirling elements have enough room to expand. Choose the brush tool with a smooth round tip and draw a curved swirl in the center, adjusting brush size for elegant line variation. Duplicate the swirl layer and rotate copies using Free Transform to form a circular arrangement, holding Shift while positioning so spacing remains consistent.